Hello everyone! Today we are going to be talking about how to use all of our French plates with M052. So for those of you who have this plate works as the base, and now we've created plates to kind of work with it. So today we're going to be using plate M350. I don't know if you guys saw this, but this was just launched on our site. And this is a really cute spring-inspired French plate. And then M351, and this is also like a very fun, kind of more anti-Valentine's Day, or it's just a little sassy. Let's just put it that way. It's a lot of fun. And then we have plate M289. I could see a princess crown. I can see lots of tiaras. Okay, it totally looks like a tiara. And M335. So if you want to check it out, you can head to the description below, and all of the plates are linked, and you can just go and add to cart. So you guys can start if you already want to get into it.